Okay, y'all. So continuing with the baking spices, as you all know, this is baking season. So we're gonna do apple pie spice now. 4 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, spoon of ground ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. This is a 1/2 teaspoon allspice, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cardamom, freshly ground. And again, stir them all up. Stir them up to break up any clumps that may be in there. Trying to do as less stirring as I possibly can and do a lot more breaking up. That's more like it, y'all. And just put it into an airtight jar, and this is gonna be good to save in your airtight jar for at least about 2 years or so, because it's all dried and ground. I'm using the 4-ounce jar, and I hope it all fits in here. There you are, y'all. And just keep that airtight, and please label it because it looks just like the pumpkin pies. But if you know the smell of cardamom, you'll know the difference between the two. You can smell the cardamom in it. There you are. Have fun. Enjoy your baking.